Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll start with our next lesson, unit 7, page number 50, water. Water is, first thing to know about water is that all living things need water to survive. All the life needs water. It can be animals, plants, human beings, they all need water. The picture over here shows the map of the world and the distribution of water in the world. Our earth, our world is composed of, we can say, 70% of water. That is 3, if you divide the earth into 4 parts, 3 parts are covered with water and 1 part is the land. And so is our body. The human body also has 70% water. So water, this shows that water is essential. It helps the materials around our body to move. That is, whatever you have eaten, that digested food is transported to each and every part of your body through water. Means liquid, that is, you can say your blood contains water, liquid, and that transports everything to each and every part of your body. Now, here you will see that sometimes water is replaced from your, sometimes the water, you lose water from your body and that water should be replaced. There are different forms how this water can be replaced: by drinking fresh water or by drinking juices or milks. They all contain water and the water is replaced through this process. Now our earth is the only planet in which the water exists in the liquid form. The temperature of the earth is suitable for life. Why? Because water exists in the liquid form. And you know that water, some scientists believe that the amount of water present on the earth is from the beginning. जब से हमारी अर्थ बनी है तब से जो पानी हमारी अर्थ पे अब है वो तब से है जब से दुनिया बनी है. इट मीन्स कि आपके ग्लास में जो पानी है जब भी आप पी रहे हो, इट इज़ मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ईयर्स ऑफ ओल्ड, यानी बहुत पुराना है. जब से दुनिया बनी है तब से वही पानी है जो रिसाइकल होकर आपके पास दोबारा आता है. और इट मीन्स कि ये बहुत ही सबसे ओल्डेस्ट चीज़ जो है वो है ये वाटर है. नाउ हाउ दिस वाटर इज़ ओल्ड you can see through water cycle. Water cycle is a process in which water is moving in a form of circle around in the earth. Rain falls from the sky, but the life of rain does not start from the sky. It starts from the earth. Can you see this picture? In this picture, there are different steps showing how the water is recycled from the surface of oceans and rivers. Because of the sun heat, water starts evaporating. The first step is A, which shows that the heat of sun evaporates the water. The water, liquid water, when it gains heat, it changes into what? Vapors. And these vapors are what? Gas, steam. These vapors rise in the sky because the gas is light. They rise up in the sky. And that process is called evaporation. Now, when this gas or water vapors reach the sky, these vapors, they come in contact with the cool air, and when they get cool air, they lose heat and they start converting from gaseous state to liquid state. That is, from vapor to water droplets. Here they are collected in the sky. The process is called condensation. The water droplets are collected together. They collect in the form of clouds. They become heavy and then they try to fall to the ground. These vapors then, the water droplets then collect in the form of cloud, and they can't retain there. They become heavy, and these clouds then try to fall in the form of precipitation, that is in the form of rain, in the form of liquid water. That water tries to fall from the sky to the ground. This happens because tiny drops of water join together to form bigger drops. They are too heavy and they can't stay in the air and they fall as rain. This rain then reaches the earth's surface and then it runs downhill and back to the lakes, oceans and rivers, whatever. So the water which has evaporated over here because of the heat of sun, it reaches the sky, condenses there, then fall as precipitation, that is as rain on the earth's surface, and then from the earth's surface it goes back in the form of runoff towards the lake or ocean again. So the process continues and the water is moved all over again and again, and that process is called water cycle. This is how the water is present from the beginning of the earth till now. The same water is present till now. बिसाइड द सर्वाइवल ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स, यानी किसी भी इंसान के ज़िंदा रहने के लिए, आपको पता है पौधों को ग्रो करने के लिए, अपनी फूड बनाने के लिए भी प्लांट्स को वाटर की ज़रूरत होती है। इन सब चीज़ों के अलावा हमें और भी बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, वॉशिंग, बाथिंग और क्लीनिंग, सब कुछ के लिए हमें पानी की ज़रूरत होती है। तो इट मीन्स कि पानी जो है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। विदाउट वाटर लाइफ इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। एंड डू यू नो the 3/4 of water which is present on the earth, out of this water only 3% of water is fresh water, that is in the form of glaciers, which is available to us in the form of fresh water in the form of rivers which we can use. The other water is salt water in the form of oceans and sea, which is not usable. Thank you.